Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing with the previous video regarding the interpretation of our results of the moderation. How these results are interpreted? Actually, when you substitute the value of the dummy variables 0 and 1, that clearly develops a separate function for male and female. Since male is coded as 1, so for men, the relationship will be represented by this equation. For example, theoretically, when you substitute the value of male equal to 1, the equation reduces to this format. And when you substitute the values which you have estimated from here, you can compare as to what is being added to what. That clearly indicates the change of the intercept for male. So for male, the start point even will be different, will be on the higher point as compared to the female. And here there is a change of slope by the amount of 15.727, which clearly indicates the steeper path of the relationship between age of male and their wages. So the relationship between age and wages of male is steeper than relationship of age and wages for female. So females relationship of age and wage is relatively flat, and it starts with the lower value of the intercept, which is equal to 40 for female. For female, it is 496.0065, and its slope is 6.99, which means if the workers are female, their wages will be increasing at the rate of $6.99 per year. And if you are male, your wages will be increasing with the age at the rate of 6.99 plus 15, which means around $22 more. So $22 means this is 15.7 points steeper than the slope of the female function. So what is the general outcome of this discussion? Female start wage is even lower than male. And with the passage of time, with the passage of their age, as their age passes, the incremental contribution to their wage, to male's wage, is even higher than that of female. So their increment is higher than, male's increment is higher than that of female. That is why, so what specific conclusion can be drawn? The specific conclusion is, even if male and female join a job with the same age group, with the passage of time, the male are likely to be more rich, earning more than female. So that clearly indicates the gender discrimination on the workplace. Thank you.